Okay, even more troubleshooting. I was like, oh my god, my car is completely done. I was able to remove the bolt from the solenoid, and guess what? It fell in the, I guess it's the camshaft or the engine block. I'm not really sure, I'm learning. And I was like, oh my gosh, that little hole right there, do you see that? And then I constructed a magnet. I put a magnet and I rolled it over a nail. See this rubber band? And then I took a paper clip. You see the paper clip there? It's, anyways, I tried to use the magnet to pick up the nail because I heard maybe it didn't go through. And it didn't work because it, where is it? I can't show it from here. Because I supported, oh, maybe you could see it from here. You see that edge? Yeah, the edge. Yeah, see that rounded edge there? Yeah, that surface area is not enough magnetic pull to get a nail. It would need to be flat against it, and I can't, you know, I don't have, this is a flat magnet. This is all I had right now. It's 2:30 in the morning. And then I just decided to use the other side of the paper clip, and I rounded it a little bit with my pliers, and I stuck it in, and look. Oh, this isn't, okay. Look what's there. Do you see the tip? Look at the tip. I was able to get it out. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I was able to get it out. And now, let's see if I can get some pliers or something. But you see, right there. It's right there. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna see if I can hold this and record while I try to get it out. Okay. Alright. Operation. Oh my god, no. Okay, now let's try to pull it out. Let's try to keep pulling it out. Yes. Yes! Oh, I got it out. And it's right there. Can you see it? Oh my god, where is it? It's in there. It's right here. Yes, right there. Right there. Where is it? I'm gonna try and show it on the camera. Oh, okay, there. That's right there. Perfect. Right there. Oh crap, I'm shaking. Okay, yeah, there it is, right there. Oh my god. I can't believe this. I can't believe I got this out. Oh my god, okay. I'll be back. More troubleshooting. But you cannot give up. Cannot give up, my friends.